And welcome back to a very short video. Last time where I left off, the Caprice would not start, and that's because I forgot to plug in the wires to the distributor. So we're going to try this again. I have no idea if it's in correct orientation or not, so we're just going to give this a go. So let's just see what happens. Okay, I think it runs, y'all. And that's gonna conclude that video. Oh, there's Dad. And of course, just smoke that comes from everywhere. That's just normal. So, yeah, thank you all for watching.